Hey guys, we're back at it today. We got a fun one. We got
pancakes.
bacon pancakes. It's been one of our favorites forever. We've been watching Adventure Time since he was a little guy, and we told him we just say we're gonna do this one forever. So here, show off your little bacon pancakes. Here we go. First time, we got bacon pancakes playing in the back.
I never tried bacon pancakes.
You excited?
So yeah, I'm very excited.
Kind of hot from cooking everything. All right. So you ready?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Bacon pancakes, baby. You ready? Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Jake's still going on back there.
Man, that's really good.
Delicious, huh? I love the food. I love the song. The song will always remind me of my little dude. I give it a 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Have any of you guys ever tried bacon pancakes? Leave a comment down. Let us know. Pretty easy. I never really make pancakes, but easy enough. We wanted to make the ones that Linja makes. She actually makes the bacon and puts the pancake mix around it, but it was easier to do the one that the older guy does. You know his name?
Fred.
Fred.
Cooking with Fred?
Cooking with Fred. He does one like this. This is always the easiest one. That'd be fun. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. Yeah. The song's still going back. It's probably one of my favorite remixes of the song. Almost like a mukbang video now. I'm an ASMR video. Freaking delicious. It was hard for me to get the bacon to stay in the pancake. Like while I was making it, it came out okay. Tastes delicious. Looked a little bit ugly trying to. A lot of food.
And a lot of calories.
Definitely a lot of calories too. Real hard part of the pancake. I like it.
Chewy.
I think because some of it is just because I cooked it extra and got soft with the pancake mix. Oh yeah, Jake. Still going at it.
I'm really full, dude.
You done?
Yeah.
You tapping out?
Yeah. I can't eat that.
No. All right. Bacon pancakes. Total success. Everything's delicious. It meant a lot to me to make this. We literally been watching this since he was one. We put it on. He'd like to watch the little silly characters. The song would put him to sleep. He loved it as a toddler. We still watch it now. Probably better for him now anyways, because he can get all the funny jokes. Adventure Time. Go watch it if you don't. Pancakes, bacon pancakes. Try them if you haven't. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye. Have a good one.
Bye, guys.